In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Whether you're setting it up for work, school, or personal use, this tutorial will guide you from start to finish, making every step simple and easy to follow. First, let's navigate to Adobe's official website. Open up your preferred web browser like Google Chrome or Firefox and type in the URL www.adobe.com/acrobat. This will take you straight to the Adobe Acrobat page where you can find everything about Adobe's Acrobat products. Now that you're on the website, the next task is to find Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. As you scroll down the page, you'll see an array of options. Just keep your eyes peeled for Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is the product you'll want for creating and managing PDF files efficiently. Once you've found Acrobat Pro DC, it's time to choose a plan. Adobe offers a variety of subscription options tailored to different needs. Do you prefer to pay a smaller fee monthly, or maybe save some money by paying annually upfront? Consider what works best for your budget and usage. Pick the plan that suits your needs the best. After selecting the plan, you'll need to decide if you want to jump right in with a purchase or take the software for a test run. If you're new to Adobe Acrobat Pro DC and want to give it a try before committing, go ahead and select the free trial option. Otherwise, if you're ready to make the purchase right away, click on Buy Now. Next, you'll need to sign in or create an Adobe account. An Adobe ID is crucial as it keeps track of your purchases and licenses. If you don't already have an Adobe ID, don't worry. It's a straightforward process that simply requires your email address. Just follow the prompts to get started. Now it's time to enter your payment information. Adobe accepts a variety of payment methods, including credit cards and PayPal. Be sure to carefully enter your details to avoid any hiccups. Before you finalize your order, it's always a good idea to check everything over once more. Make sure all your order details are correct and nothing has been left out. Then with a simple click, confirm your purchase. Once you've got that out of the way, it's time to download and install the software. Head to your Adobe account page where you'll find the option to download the Adobe Acrobat Pro DC installer. Click to download, and once it's finished, run the installer. The on-screen instructions will guide you through the installation process effortlessly. Finally, launch Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. To activate your license, you'll need to sign in with your Adobe ID once more. And just like that, you're ready to start using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC for all your PDF needs. And that's it. By following these steps, you should now have Adobe Acrobat Pro DC up and running on your computer. Enjoy exploring all the powerful features this software has to offer.